everyone, my name is Darwin Malagueña and I'm your teacher in Empowerment Technology. Today we'll talk about mail merge and how to edit a letter or certificate using Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'm pretty sure you're excited, so let's go ahead. And before anything else, this time let's talk about the definition of a mail merge and some of the words or phrases that we have to define or describe. Okay, before we move on to the demonstration. Alright, so part of the discussion is basically mentioning the lesson objectives. So today we'll talk about, sorry, after these video lesson, you're expected to distinguish the components of mail merge, create form letters or documents for distribution to various recipients, perform the mail merge feature of Microsoft Word, summarize the steps and generating labels in MS Word, and create media reach documents for printing or publishing. Example of that is the creation of certificates. Anyway, before anything else, you have to make sure that you have with you your laptop and make sure that you pulled up your Microsoft Word, and if it's possible you can also pull up your Microsoft Excel, because there you'll need to create your you'll need to put in there the data or the data. All right, now there are some, as I was saying, terms or phrases that we have to define. Okay, first one is mail merge. So we have two words here, mail and merge. It's a feature that allows you to create documents and combine or merge them with another document or data file. You also have form document, which is a document that contains the main body of the message you want to convey or send. Data file also includes the individual information or data or the recipient's information. By the way, that here in the data file, you have here the first name, the last name, the email address, the phone number, or the address itself, and other information related to the recipient. So we're talking about the recipient or the receiver's information. Going back with the form document, it does include, the content of the letter, or the invitation, or perhaps a certificate. Also, we move on to the next. That's merge field or placeholder. So there are some. It's basically surrounded by special characters. Marks the position on your form document where individual data or information will be inserted, and I'll show you these merge field or placeholder later on. You also have file extension for photos. So you have here JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group Picture File. It's next one. Aside from JPEG, you have here the PNG. It's a file extension for portable network graphic image file. GIF, it's a file extension for the graphics interchange format image file. GIF, by the way, is the one that is the picture, the motion picture. Oh, sorry, the moving picture. PNG, however, is better because I would prefer PNG because it does not pixelate when you attach that on a certain file, especially in Word document. So it does not pixelate. We also have the clip art. So it's a line art drawing or image used as a generic representation for ideas and objects. You also have the smart art. It's a predefined set of different shapes grouped together to form ideas that are organizational or structural in nature. You also have the snipping tool. It's a feature introduced in Windows 7 and is also available in Windows 8 and 10, and now we have Windows 11. It allows you to take all or part of a screenshot and save that image. You also have the text wrap. It adjusts how the image behaves around the objects or text. Okay. So this time, we'll go ahead and do a demonstration, and I'd like you to take note of the steps. Okay. So right now I'm opening the Microsoft Word document. So right now what I have here is just an ordinary, a blank Microsoft Word, and on top of, we have here the ribbon, okay, and the tabs. So we have the File tab, Home tab, Insert tab, Draw tab, Design, Layout, References, Mailings tab, Review tab, and View tab and Help tab. So what we need to go to is we need to click on the Mailings tab, and that's in here, Mailings tab, and the ribbon will pop up on your screen. And you have here the ribbons. The first one is envelopes. If you click on envelopes, it will show you the actual image of the envelope, but there is some part in there where you can click or edit the delivery address and then the return address to make it easier for you, since this is a letter. Also, you have here the labels tab, right? And that's for your address too. Okay. Alright, so those are the options. Next one, let's go back to the mailings tab. Yeah, it's labels, it's the same thing. Now, you have two ways to start mailing, mail merge. You can do it manually by clicking on this button, Start Mail Merge, and you see here the drop down arrow. And if you click on that drop down arrow, you'll see another list of options. And here we have here the letters, the email, messages, envelopes, labels, directory, normal Word document. Now you have here on the bottom of the list, you have step-by-step mail merge wizard. This is used basically by the beginners. So since you are a beginner, then let's go ahead and get started with the step-by-step mail merge wizard. Alright, let me click on that. So you do have a blank Word document right now. What you need to know is that you can first write your letter, say hi, then enter, and then okay, we would say like to invite you, okay, to our party this coming March 20th, 2022. Or sorry, let's see. We are happy to hear Alright, thank you so much for reaching our company. Hold on. About the item you have received. We look forward working serving you for some more. Thank you. Right. I hope have a great day. Yours truly, Charles Kirkman. Okay. So that's our example. Hold on. That's our example for the mail merge. That's the content of the letter. So what I'm gonna do is on the right pane, you have here mail merge, write your letter, and that's what I did. So you have here address block. We don't have address block, so let me click on that address block. Okay, Darwin. Okay, so that's address block. Let's say okay, Josh. Alright, so I have here the content of the letter. Now, a while ago I click address block. Let me click on that. Let me click Josh. It says specify address elements. Insert recipient's name. So say the name is Josh. And you can edit that here. Insert postal address. Format OK. So that's the address block. Oh, I've got two address block. Let me delete that for you. And greeting line. So what you're gonna do is you need to click on that part where you'll need to add uh, the data. So of course, since it's an address block, then you have to click it after. You have to put that after hi, and then click on enter, another enter, and then greeting line. On the right pane, you have greeting line. Click on that. Dear Sir or Madam Joshua, whatever. Okay, so dear Joshua Randall Jr., then comma, of course. And you have the drop down option too here. Dear to, yeah, Mr. To make it more formal. And then comma, colon, or whatever. So I need to click the comma. And then dear Sir or Madam, or to whom it may concern. Okay. And, or you can click to whom it may concern. Sir, Madam, alright. Dear Darwin Malagueño, and click OK. And thank you so much for reaching our company with the item you've received. We look forward to serving you more. Yours truly. And of course, that's me. Yeah, it's just simple as that. Electronic postage, however, I tried this one, but it needs for you to pay for it, so we don't need that right now. After that, if you're done, then click here at the bottom of the right pane. You have here it says next preview your letters. So that's the preview of your letter. Now below, sorry, in the middle of this pane, you have here recipient 1. You can click recipient 2. Okay, and so on. And if you're done, if you see that it's right, then click next to complete. Then you have the option to print it or edit individual letters. Okay, so that's it, and you'll be able to print it or send it to to those recipients. Now what I'm gonna do this time is we'll begin with another way of doing a mail merge, but this time we'll start with a blank Microsoft Excel. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let me create blank Microsoft Excel, and I'll type in last name, first name, first name, address, or email address, then phone number, okay. Alright, you can put here title, insert title. So yeah, Mr. Then Mr. Ronald, sorry, Erkman, Daniel, Daniel at awesome.me.com. So it needs we need to adjust the column, of course. Okay, so you have the title here, title, last name, first name, email address, and phone number. So the first entry that we have is tell Mr. Erkman Daniel, email address, and then phone number 0999 9999. Okay. Also say Mr. Solidat. Hold on. Palma. Ronald, Ronald, Ronald at great Greatman dot ph 0999 dash 899 999. Okay, next is Mrs. Um, ooh. Mrs. Rosario. No, Rosario. Can Canyon. Rosario. Rosario at wildrifts.com 0990 Okay, so assuming that we have here these three persons, then we have to save it, of course, and address book. Okay, and click on desktop, save. Hold on, address book. Okay, address book 2. So it's now saved in our desktop, and of course okay, and of course let me go back. Yeah, so it's already saved in our desktop. Let me close that. So here, this is the address book number 2. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'll need to get back in here. So this is my letter. Let me just change it. I need to close it, don't save. I need to create another blank document. Okay, so hi, see that? Hi, enter. Thank you for reaching us, or thank you for contacting us about the item you have received. We apologize for the you got had you experienced with the package. It was recently delivered to you. We will contact you through your phone number, okay, or email address to settle this issue. Okay, yours truly. Alright, sorry for that. Robert. Holiday. Alright, so that's the letter that you have. What you need to do is go to the mailings tab. Then you don't need to go to the start mailing merge. Of course, you need to go directly here, select recipient. You don't need to type new list, but if you don't have any recipients yet, you can do that. But right now, since I started with Microsoft Excel, then click on use an existing list and go to the desktop where I saved, or you saved the address book. So I created address book number 2. Sorry for the spelling. And click on that. It says first row of data contains column headers. So the first column basically will be the headers, column headers. So let me click OK. Next thing is I need to go to the mailings tab, and then the next thing that I need to click is here, insert merge field, and then hi, title, and then Mr. or Mrs. last name. Okay, and it says thank you for contacting us about the item you've received. We apologize for the inconvenience that you've experienced with the package that was recently delivered to you. We'll contact you through your phone number. So I need to go click here, phone number, mailings tab, insert merge field, and then phone number or email address. I need to click on the email address again, this part, and go to mailings tab, click on insert merge field, then email address to settle this issue. Alright, yours truly, Robert Holiday. Now the next thing that I have to do is I need to see if it's actually the right thing. So go to here, preview results. Alright, so the spacing, make sure that it's correct. Go to mailings tab again, preview. So yeah, you have the phone number, this one, you have the email address, so it's yours really. Okay, and the next thing they have to do is finish, mail merge. You can edit individually the documents, or you can print it, or you can send email messages. Okay, so no matter how many recipients you have, make sure that you have the correct information. Now if you wish to edit the recipients details, you can go here, edit recipients lists, there. Okay, you have the option to edit that. Okay, edit. Okay, no. Alright, there. Okay. So if it's okay, just click OK. If it's done, just click OK. And yeah, next one is finish, print document. Then you have to select whether you'd like to print all of the documents. So basically you have 3 recipients, then you'll get 3 papers depending on the copy that you'd like to. Cancel. Alright, mailings tab. Okay, yeah, so that's it for the letter, editing the letter through mail merge. The next thing that we need to do this time is to edit certificates. Right, so I need to close this one, don't save. Alright, I'll reopen another Word document. I need to click the blank document, insert. So for Microsoft Word and editing certificates, make sure that you have downloaded a layout for certificate. I have your layout for certificate. Let me just choose that one. I need to go to the layout tab and select landscape as for its orientation. And okay, and this one is the layout options. I have to click behind the text. Let me resize the certificate. By the way, this certificate is a pre-designed certificate from canva.com. Right. Now the next thing that I have to do is for me to easily navigate the easily put the names on the on the certificate. I need to click insert tab. I need to go to insert tab and then click on text box. Alright, there you go. So this is the name. This is the place where I need to put the name, but I don't want to have border, so I need to click on these and click shape format. Okay, and presets. So there you go. So delete. And the next thing is I have to increase the size, say 40. And so for me to put the names, I need to click the mailings tab, select recipients, use existing list. I'll be using the same exact list I have created earlier. Okay, so sheet 1, click OK, and then mailings tab again. Insert mail merge field, first name, then last name. Let me resize that. Okay, and there you go. Now let me go ahead and see if it's the right one. So it's on the left side. I need to move it. Okay, there you go. Spacing. If I would like to add or increase the font size, I need to go there to the home tab, say 50. Alright, Daniel Erkman. I need to go to the mailings tab. Alright, and preview. So it's changing. The name is changing, but the certificate is not. It's same exact certificate. Alright, so that's how you do it. Now, once you're done, you need to go to the mailings tab again, and then finish merge, and then print the document. That's how you do it. Okay? And you'll be able to print 3 documents containing three different names. That's how you edit your certificate using in Microsoft Word through mail merge. Alright. So yeah, so those are just some of the things, the basic things that you have to understand when it comes to mail merge. If you have question, don't forget to send message directly or question directly to your subject teacher using Messenger, or post your comments directly through Google Classroom. Um, yeah, and I hope that you learned something today. Again, my name is Darwin Malagueña, and you have a great day. Bye.